Hi, this is a Blender lesson on right-handed coordinate systems. So why do we want to learn about this? Because it's important to learn things so that you're able to fix problems. And believe me, you'll run across problems when doing Blender. The right-handed coordinate system is used in mathematics, engineering, and physics, so it's a good system to understand. We take our right hand, and it's based on going counterclockwise. Okay? And it's customary to start with this finger as X, Y, Z, and that maps to RGB, and that's the usual color system that we use on computers. So RGB, X, Y, Z. So RGB, X, Y, Z. Okay, the important thing about right-handed coordinate system is understanding the rotations. And if we curl our fingers, that is the direction of positive rotation. We can use our thumb to represent any axis. So let's start with the Z axis. And the direction of curl is this way. So if we're looking at the screen, it's curling from red to green. And let's test that out. We're making it go positive, and it's rotating from red to green. Let's undo that. Let's take a look at the green axis. So if we curl our fingers, it's curling downwards to the front of the screen. Okay, so it's going to curl from blue to red. And there we go. And if we go in the negative direction, it's going to go the opposite way. And remember, the thumb represents the positive axis direction. So I'm pointing out of the screen. So it's curling this way. That means it's curling from green to blue. And let me just undo the last change. So if I rotate in X, it's rotating from green to blue. And if I rotate the other way, it's rotating from blue to green. Negative is the opposite direction. Okay, so that completes this quick lesson.